Today I'm going to be making a very simple chocolate ganache. I have 1 cup of heavy cream. This is 35% cream, also called whipping cream. And I have 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'm using Hershey's brand. You can use any brand that you wish. The first step is to heat our cream. And in order to do that, I'm going to do that in my microwave. I'm going to get all of my cream into a bowl. And I'm going to heat that until hot. It does not have to be boiling, but I want it hot enough to completely melt our chocolate chips. So I'm going to go do that and I'll be back in a second. So my cream is really hot right now. I'm going to grab all of the chocolate chips and just pour them right into there. And then I just want to let this sit. And in about a minute from now, I'm going to start stirring it. Now that it has been sitting for about a minute or so, I'm just going to take my whisk. And I can already feel that the chocolate has really started to melt down. And this is where the magic begins. I'm just going to start turning this and whisking it very slowly. So the general rule for chocolate ganache is a ratio of 1 to 1. You can see now that the chocolate and the cream are starting to come together now. So I'll keep stirring this and I'll come back in a few seconds. This ganache gets so thick that you can take a little melon baller and scoop out little balls and then roll those chocolate balls in cocoa powder and you have yourself chocolate truffles. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is how you make chocolate ganache. That's it for today and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.